See all the broke down cars? I feel like I'm on The Walking Dead. Look at this. Everybody in the park, their cars broke down. When they say they're gonna shut it down, I guess this is what they mean. I don't know about that. I'm on the other end. I'm on the other end.
That end.
They say they got tow trucks on the other end, but I can't move. Traffic stop. How can I get around traffic? Cindy? Well, when it does stop, it makes Hoover uncomfortable. Okay? And because Hoover's uncomfortable, all they have to do is just answer that simple question. So they're gonna make it very uncomfortable, and all of them can't get arrested because we can't go nowhere. So we're gonna be here. But thank you for your comment. I hope the traffic didn't distort where you couldn't hear me. It's just gonna be uncomfortable. Guess what? It's a whole community and a whole city uncomfortable. It's making a whole country uncomfortable. It's issues that we're not talking about. It's things that we're not fixing, and we just gonna sweep it on the rug like they do every other case every time. So the people are tired of it. They're not sweeping it on the rug. They're not gonna just go away. What they're gonna do is they're gonna protest, and if they want to make it a problem, it's just gonna keep getting bigger and bigger. So all they have to do to fix the problem is actually cooperate. You wasn't there at the Hoover City Council yesterday when they just end the council meeting just to get out of it. They was ready to go. So you wasn't there. You don't see it. You don't see the disrespect from people just asking simple questions. Hey, who's the guy that murdered an innocent person? If it was anybody else, if it was any other way, they would have told it. But they refused to because they covered the boys in blue, even when they're in the wrong. And again, those are people we pay. I pay tax dollars out here. I come to shop at H&M. I come and take my family to Dave & Buster. I bring my family out here. And if I can't bring my family out here without the threat of somebody being innocently killed, myself included, I got a child to raise. My child he's only 6. In 10 years, he gonna be one of the kids that be just on the news who doing nothing. Shoot, you could be 12 years old playing with a toy gun and they shoot you down. So, because nobody's saying anything about it, and because they keep innocently getting off of it, we gonna have to do something. And so either you're with the change, so everybody can have all lives matter, or you're against it, and that's okay. You just hush with it, that's all. Just go there and be silent, because silence is saying something. Being silent is saying something. It's saying you're not in support, you don't care about all lives matter, because if it did, then this one innocent black life would matter. You'll be out here protesting. So thank you for your comment again.
Y'all got knowledge of the cars on the hood?
Release the video! Release the video! Release the video!
They can't get up.
Back up, fellow.
They can't.
How the tow truck gonna be stuck? They're gonna be that way. So we're gonna go back this way.
Hold on. Wait.
So they got the tow trucks.
We need somebody. Hey, we need somebody up there making sure everything straight up.
They can hook y'all pile up and go on by their way.
Andy, come up here with me. Julia up there.
So they threatened with tow trucks. They got citizens that's still out here. They want to move into the crowd of people when they supposed to be over there protecting and serving. You see all these blue lights. They're on every side. So they able to protect, but yet they thought it was funny. EJ! No peace! No peace! No peace! No peace!
Police! Police!
EJ! EJ!
Everybody going to bed.
So they said everybody's gonna be arrested.
You gonna beat us because we black?
Now you don't.
Be careful.
Let's get in that car. Let's get in the car. Let's get in the car. Let's get in the car. Hey, we still need help though. So even though we get in the cars, we still need help. Let's get in the cars. Our cars are still broke down. Our cars are still broke down. Let's get in that car. If your hood is up, we need help. If your hood is up, we need help. Lock your doors to your car. Get in your car and lock the doors up and let this car go by.
Charmaine, get in the car now.
Get in your car. Hey.
He's not gonna be able to make it.
Yeah, okay, so we're heading to our car too. Okay, we're heading to our car. Are you okay? Okay, call us if you need.
The only way they can get around is going in the grass. Big.
Hey,
Big.
get how they live. They ain't moving.
Yeah.
Look at all these officers. We're about 20 people
Don't work.
protesters.
You can't arrest me for my car not working. How the hell you gonna arrest me for my car not working?
I realize it's disruptive.
You gonna make me prove that it works?
So they sending us back to our car.
Half of that effort into solving the crime. They outside.
I know. What'd you say? Say it one more time.
Half of the effort that y'all doing in our car to solving the crime. Just solve the crime. But they ain't got the same effort.
That look like everybody. I think they're just police legs, you see. There's nobody left behind.
Whole street?
Our street!
Whole street?
Our streets!
Whole street?
Our streets!
If we don't get it?
Shut it down!
If we don't get it?
Shut it down!
If we don't get it?
Shut it down!
Whose fault?
They fault!
Whose fault? The mayor's fault. Whose fault?
The mayor's fault!
Whose fault?
The mayor's fault!
Whose fault?
The mayor's fault!
If we don't get it?
Shut it down!
If we don't get it?
Shut it down!
Whose fault? Whose fault? The
Mayor's fault!
Whose fault?
The mayor's fault!
Whose fault?
The mayor's fault!
If we don't get it?
Shut it down!
If we don't get it?
Shut it down!
If we don't get it?
Shut it down! The mayor's fault!
Whose fault?
The mayor's fault!
Whose fault?
The mayor's fault! Hold on. Who back there with a mic? Carlos still back there? Is Carlos in the front? Hey, one mic. One mic. Is Carlos?
I'ma hit you.
Is Carlos this way?
Get her out the way.
She with us.
Oh.
She's with her.
Well, what you talking about is I'ma hit you.
We thought you was another crazy ass.
Oh, there he is. All right. Our streets.
Our street.